What up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're hanging out in the garage. Connor, say what's up.
What up?
What are you doing?
Putting a filter in my bike.
Ride
red.
What are you doing?
What's going on? I'm Facebooking.
Alright, anyways.
My car prep's done.
Your car prep's done?
Sand rail prep.
You're going to the dunes.
Hell yeah.
Anyways, we're just in the garage. I'm messing around. We're going to paint my rims gold, or at least get started on it. I don't know if I'm going to regret it or love it. We'll find out. Pro tip, my buddy Cameron Yancey chatted me on Snapchat. Soak it in hot water and it comes out of the nozzle like way smoother. So highly recommend. Put it in hot water, let it sit, and then go and spray. It works like, it goes from like splatty paint to like really smooth spraying. Just finished all the wheels up. I'm stoked. I made a huge mess. I gotta clean that up. And then, yeah, they're looking dope. I'm gonna go to the gas station right now so I have some good light and you guys can see. I'm gonna take my detailing stuff and clean the windows and the paint in better light for tomorrow. So it's looking fresh. Just got to the gas station. Gonna step out for the first time and look at it in the light. Oh snap. Actually, it looks crazy. What do you guys think? Comment below. Definitely need some armor on the tires, clean up the paint, and looks dope. The only thing I could add is I'm gonna go buy some glossifier in the next day or two. Not even take the wheels off the car, just spray it on, make it pop just a little bit more. But it's not like a very like blingy gold, it's just a really chill gold that looks good. It's just your basic World Rally blue with gold wheels. Subaru looks sick. I'm super stoked on how it looks. But other than that, the next video I'm going to be installing a part, and then I'm also going to be giving away one of those parts, and you guys are going to want to check it out. So follow me on Instagram to hear about it beforehand, and then when the video comes out you'll see how to get into the giveaway. It'll be super simple. I've never done a giveaway, so I'm really excited to give back to you guys, like the Subaru community and the Mazda Speed community. So much love, and the subscriber count keeps going up, and then we're getting a ton of views on the videos. The exhaust video hit 100K. That's freaking nuts. I never thought I'd make a video that gets 100,000 views on YouTube, and that's getting harder day by day. So, you know, other than that, I'm super excited for these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching them. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I think that's it. Later.